Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to do sound shapes. I'm going to draw a shape and you follow it with your voice, and with my voice we'll use the word ooh, just like we used to do in music class. Here we go. We're going to start with this one way up high. Ready? Go. Ooh. That's it. Let's try another one. Here we go in the middle. Woo, 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 woo. We ended really high on that one. Try another one. I'm going to start way down low. Woo, woo, woo. That's it. Boys and girls, this week I want you to draw a sound shape and then tell me how it sounds. This time I'll draw the shape, we'll do it together once, and then you can try it after me. Listen again. You try it. Did you follow the shape? If you did, great job. I wonder what fun shapes you can create, and then show me how they sound. You can even write your name and make the sound of your name. Here's my last name, Nelson. Try it with me. Ooh. 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 Mrs. Nelson, you try your name and make the sound shape for it. Now, if you don't want to do it with paper and pencil or markers, if you have a pipe cleaner at home, you can twist your pipe cleaner into a fun shape, kind of like we did one day in music class. My favorite is the twisty coil. We start at the top. Our sound shape is ooh. If we turn it sideways, we can go ooh, ooh, ooh. Or we can make different letters or shapes. We can do an upside down V, kind of like a mountain. Ooh. You could make all sorts of different fun shapes with your pipe cleaner, so you could try that if you have a pipe cleaner. Or if you don't want to use any of those things, you can even just arrange little rocks or dry macaroni or beads or who knows what else. I got a pile of rocks. So if I just make a rock path like this, let's see, I wonder what the sound shape of my rock path will be. I'm trying to make it a little bit longer. There. All right, if I start right up at the top, my rock path sounds like this. Ooh. So see what you can come up with. I'd love to see the sound shapes that you draw or that you build, and then I would love to listen to the sound that your sound shapes make. Good luck and have fun. See you next time.